So welcome to today's session. It is on IBPS RRB Clerk Prelims Mock Test 9 explanation session. So first 40 questions are on reasoning. So let us see how we can solve quickly. So here I am taking the session in a faster manner because we have to be fast in answering the questions. Okay. So see, first 5 questions are based on your inequality. So B and R relation, B and R, B less than or equal to V, B less than or equal to V, and it is given that M is greater than R, M is equal to N. So please see here, M is equal to N. Okay, N greater than B. N is less than B. N is less than B. N is B is greater than N. N is less than B. And it is given M is greater than R. M is greater than R means R is less than M. R is less than M. So now B, R less than B is the one. Correct. So B greater than R is correct. Now V and A. Between V and A what you have? Between V and A you have A less than B. B less than or equal to V. So A less than V is correct. V greater than A is also correct. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Next. Between F and I, between F and I, so F is equal to G. So between F and I, what is the relation I have? So I have only one inequality symbol, F greater than I, correct. J greater equal to E. Where is E here? I don't find E here. No, J is there. Where is E? I don't find E here. E is not there. So only one is correct. I don't find E here. It may be missing, maybe typing error. Ignore it. Next. M less than N less than O greater than P, N less than E. So E less than M. E less than M means, see, M less than N, M less than N, N less than E. So you can say M less than E. So E greater than M is correct. E less than M is wrong. E greater than O. Is E greater than O correct? So if you see here, N is less than O. N is less than E. Between O and E don't have relation. So this is also cannot be established. So answer is neither one nor, answer is neither one nor two. Next, fourth one, E is equal to G. E is equal to G. E is equal to F. F greater equal to G. F greater equal to G means F can be greater than G, or F can be greater than G, or F is equal to G. So what can be the answer here? E can be greater than E or F, both are same. E is equal to G or E can be greater than G. So here either 1 or 2 is correct. Individually they are wrong, but any of these two will definitely happen. So the answer is either 1 or 2. Now R greater than X. So X, R greater than X means X less than R, less than T, less than S, less than P. Okay, and P greater than Q. This is what is given. Now S to Q. S to Q, here you have two inequalities. So relationship can't be established. Between X and S, X less than S, only one equality, which is correct. So answer is only 2 is correct. Option B. Now next. 8 people G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N lives in a building on different floors from bottom numbered 1, ground floor numbered 1, top floor numbered 8. So total 8 floors are there. So which person in which floor we have to now adjust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is what is given. There is a gap of 3 floors between J and L. Between J and L there is a gap of 3 floors. Okay, next. And both of them lives in the odd numbered floor. Odd numbered floor. So if it is L, gap of 3, so J will come here. If it is J, gap of 3, so L will come here. So there are different permutation combinations we will see. Both of them on the odd number floor. N lives above H. N lives just above H. Who lives on even number floor? H on even number floor. I lives on floor number 1. Where is that? Who lives? I lives on floor number 6. I lives on floor number 6. Okay. Only one person live between L and M. Only one person live between L and M. It can be like this or it can be like this. Okay. Next. J lives above I. J lives above I means definitely J has to be here. They are an odd number floor. There are 4 persons. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 persons between J and L. 1, 2, 3. So you will get L here. L here. Next. 3 persons live between K and H. So 3 persons live between K and H. N is just above 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 H. 3 persons live between K and H. So where I can take, here there is a possibility of N and H. Here there is a possibility of N and H. And it is given that H lives on even number floor. If I am writing N and H here, H lives on odd number floor, which is not correct. So N and H must be here. And 3 persons live between K and H. So 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3, so K has to be here. Now K is also fixed. Now between L and M, there is 1 person gap. So M has to be here. And who is the remaining fellow? It is G. This is the arrangement. Now who among the following lives on ground floor? It is M. M lives. So answer is D. 6th question, answer is D. Now 7th question. Who among the following lives immediately below L? Just now we have done immediately below L. You have G. You have G. Okay. Next. How many persons live between I and H? Between I and H we have to see. Between I and H, how many persons are there in between? Between I and H, there is only 1 person, that is N. So there is only 1 person, that is N. Only 1 person, which is N. Next. Question number 6 to 10 are based on, one more question is there. Who among the following lives on top floor? Who lives on top floor? Already we calculated now, it is K, I think. Who lives on top floor? Who lives on top floor? K, right? Next. Which of the following combinations is false? So N first floor is false. Because who is in the first floor? M. It's already known that M is in the first floor. The very ground floor is M. Already we did. So N first floor is wrong. So it is wrong. It is wrong. All these are correct. Okay. Next, in a row of children facing north, Rajan is 12th from right. Rajan is 12th from right hand. In a row of children facing north, Rajan is 12th from right hand and is 5th to the right of Satyarthi, who is 10th from left hand. 10th from left hand. So how many total persons are there in the row? So the answer would be 10 plus 17 minus 1, which is 26. 26 is the answer. 26 is the answer. So the answer is 26. Right, option C. Next, Raj leaves his home and goes 20 meters and goes straight 20 meters. Then turns right and goes 10 meters. He turns left and goes 30 meters and finally turns right and starts walking. If he is now moving in the north direction, then in which direction did he start walking? So if you see here, finally he is moving in the north direction. How did he reach this? By turning right. By turning right, he has reached this direction. Okay, finally turns right and start walking. Finally turns right and start walking. He turns left. He turns left and goes 30 meters. So here he is going 30 meters. He turns left and goes 30 meters. Okay, he turns left and goes 30 meters. So before that he is walking 10 meters. And he reached here, then he turns right. He turns right. He turns right means what? What is the answer now? The answer is what? Finally, if he is moving in the north direction, Raj leaves his home and goes straight 20 meters. Then he turns right. Then he turns right. So the person is traveling like this. Then turns right means stop 20 meters. Then he turns right again 10 meters. Then he turns left and goes 30 meters. And finally turns right. Turns right. So the answer is what? What is the answer here? I don't think here this is not correct. Please see. Raj leaves his home. The first option. Raj leaves his home, goes straight 20 meters. If he is going 20 meters like this, then turns right. Turning right means coming south and goes 10 meters. Then he turns left. Then he turns left. Person turning left means here he is going south 10 meters. Then he turns left means 30. It is 30 given. Okay, 30. And finally he turns right. Finally he turns right. Finally he turns right and started walking. So now he is moving towards south. But when I have taken east, I have got final direction south. So the answer would not be east. Finally he is moving in the north direction. So the answer would be west. Answer would be west. Next. Please, the digits are given followed by symbols. That symbols. Condition coding based question. Condition for coding the group elements. If the first letter is a vowel and the last digit is divisible by 2, then both are to be coded as plus. If the first as well as the last digit is odd, then both are to be coded by the code of the first digit. If the first letter is consonant and the last digit is odd number, then the code of the first and last elements are to be interchanged. Now see here, the first letter is W here. The first letter is W means the first letter is consonant and the last digit is an odd number. Now condition 3, if you apply condition 3, then the code of the first and last have to be interchanged. W is which one actually? This one. 1 is which? 1 or I? What is that? 1. 1 is cap. 1 is cap. These two have to be interchanged. So you will get cap here, infinity symbol here. So it is there in both, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 in between. So where you have the same thing. So option would be here, option C. Option C. Option C is correct. Option C is correct because X code is here, this one. Okay. So this symbol is there here only. So the answer is C. Next. What about next one? Question number 14. FE1XI6. Simply write their codes. If you simply write their codes, what will you get? F means what? Dollar. So last 6 means what? This symbol. So you will get the answer C, I believe. The answer is C. The answer is C is there. D is also there. Second one is greater or lesser. See, E means how much? E means greater. So you will get greater only. C only. Because here second one is lesser, which is not correct. Now 15th question. 542IA1. So here if the first letter is a vowel, what is the condition here? No. If the first as well as the last digit is odd, first is 5, last is 1. So both are odd. If both are odd, both are to be coded by the code of the first digit. First digit is 5. 5 code is this delta symbol. So both have to be delta. Both delta are there here. So it is the answer. Next. First is a vowel. First is a vowel and the last is divisible by 2. So condition 1 applies here. In that case, both are to be plus. So first plus, last plus. Only option that is D. That is correct. Next. First is vowel, I. First is vowel and the last one is also divisible by 2. Here also both plus, first and last plus. This is the option. Next question is based on a puzzle. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 8 members standing in a row facing north. So all are facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are facing north. C and B have as many members between them as G and C. C and B have as many members between them as G and C. G and C. I don't know how many members are there here. Okay. D, who is fourth from the extreme left. D is fourth from the 1, 2. D is fourth from left. D is fourth from left means 1, 2, 3, 4. D will be here. Okay. E is second to the left of E. D is second to the left of E. Okay. Next. G is third place away from one of the extreme ends. G is third place. So definitely G has to be here because the third place is occupied. G is third place away from one of the extreme ends. So this must be G. Neither B nor C sit at the extreme end. It is not B, not C. It is not B, not C. Now F sits to the right of A. F sits to the right of A. Now between G and C, how many people are there? Between C and B also, those many people are there. Okay. So C and B, this is the possibility, because B and C cannot be occupying here. Between G and C, how many are there? Between G and C, one is there. So only one person is there between G and C. Between C and B also only one. Now these are arranged. Now the remaining to be arranged are F 6 to the immediate right of A. F 6 to the immediate right of A means this is A, this is F, and the only place left is H. Now how many persons sit between G and B? Between G and B you have 3 persons. So answer is option B. Next, 19th question. Who among the following persons sit at the extreme ends? Just now we have done AH. AH. Next, who sits second to the right of E? Second to the right of E is extreme H. Extreme end, that is H. Who sits third to the left of G? Who sits third to the left of G? Who sits third to the left of G? None. Because G is third. G is third from left. So third to the left of G, there will be none. So option E, I think. No, option B. Option B. None means B here. Next. Who sits immediate left of C? Who is the immediate left of C? D. D is the answer. Find the odd one out. A, C, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. This is odd. This is the different one. Next. Please see here. How many odd numbers are there in the numeric series? How many odd numbers are there in the numeric series which are immediately preceded by a number? Which are immediately preceded by a number which is a whole square. Which is a whole square. How many odd numbers? 3, 5, 5, 5, then preceded by a number which is a whole square. So then we require only odd numbers. Odd numbers preceded by a whole square. Odd numbers preceded by a whole square. So odd numbers preceded by a whole square. Odd numbers preceded by a whole square. Okay, odd numbers preceded by a whole square. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is more than 3, na? More than 3 is the answer. Saying much. Next, if all the odd numbers are dropped from the series, then which number will be 8th to the left of 11th number from the left hand? From the left hand. If all the odd numbers are dropped, 9, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5, 1, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 1, 5, 3, 1. Now if all the odd numbers are dropped from the series, which number will be 8th to the left of the 11th number? 8th to the left of the 11th number. 8th to the left of the 11th number from the left hand. From the left hand. So you need to check for 1, 2, 3, third one. 8th to the left of the 11th means 11 minus 8. You need to check for only third number from left. Third number from left is 2, 4, 8. So the answer is 8 here. Option B is correct. Next. If 1 is subtracted from all odd numbers and 2 is subtracted from all even numbers in the number series, then which number will be 16th from right hand? 16th from right hand. 16th from right hand. So here, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 1 is subtracted from all odd numbers. and 2 is subtracted from all even numbers. Then in the given number series, which number will be 16 from right hand? 16 from right hand. So 24 I think is one number. 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here 1 has to be subtracted from odd numbers, 2 is to be subtracted from even numbers. If 2 is subtracted, 2 minus 2 you will get 0. 0 is the answer. Then next, if the position of first and 16 numbers, the second and 17 numbers and so on up to 15th and the 30th numbers are interchanged, which number will be 7th to the right of the 19th number from right hand? So if the position of first and 16, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so if the position of first and 16th are interchanged, second and 17. Now what will happen now? Please see here, all these will become first, all these will become the next continuous. Now what is asked here? Which number will be 7th to the right of 19 number from right hand? So 19 minus 7, 12th number. 12th number will be, which one you are going to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 4. So in this particular, this will come to the last. This as it is will come after this. So 19 minus 7 will be 12. 12 means which one? 12 means 12th one is 4. 4 is the answer. Now next one. How many total even numbers? Which are immediately preceded by a whole cube and immediately preceded by a whole square? So whole cube, even number, whole square. Whole cube, even number, whole square. Where we have whole cube, even number, whole square are. This is whole cube, even number, whole square. Then anywhere else? Here no. Whole cube, even number, whole square. Then whole cube, even number, whole square. Again I am finding 3 or anything more. You require a whole cube preceded by a whole cube, even number. Even number preceded by whole cube. No. Even number preceded by whole cube. No. And whole square is not there here. Even number preceded by whole cube is not there. Even number preceded by whole cube is not there. So I could find only 3 na. Is it correct? How many total even numbers which is immediately preceded by a whole cube and immediately preceded by a whole square? So I could find this is whole cube, this is whole square. Even numbers. I could find only, this is not 24, so it is actually 1, 2, 4 means 2, 1, 4 not. So I have only here, I could find only 3. Only 3 is the answer. Only 3 or 2. Once let me check. This is not 124. It is 124. 124 means I could have only these 2. Okay. So only 2 are there. Only 2 are there. So option would be none of these. None of these is the answer here. Next. Now next questions are based on Silox. Let us see this. All shirts are skirts. All shirts are skirts. No skirt is top. All tops are kurta. Okay. So these two don't have intersection, but kurta can have intersection. Now all shirts are kurta. All shirts are kurta is wrong. Some kurta are shirts is also wrong. So first one, neither one nor two. Option D. Then second one. Some chocolate are chips. Some chocolate are chips. Some chips are jelly. All jelly are vapors. So some jelly are chips. Some jelly are chips. Some chips are jelly. Some jelly are chips is right. All chocolates being vapors. All chocolates being vapors is a possibility. It is also correct. So both 1 and 2 are correct. Next. So here some fruity are maja. Some fruity are maja. No maja is slice. All slice are Fanta. Okay. No maja is slice. No maja is slice. All slice is Fanta. Maja and slice no intersection. But maja and Fanta can be maja and Fanta can be. Okay. It is Fanta. It is fruity. Now some fruity are not slice. Some fruity are not slice. Some fruity are not slice is definitely true. Is definitely true. Some Fanta are definitely not maja. Even if it is this Fanta is going here. Some Fanta are not maja is also true. So answer is both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2 is correct. Next. All carbon are oxygen. All carbon are oxygen. All nitrogen are carbon. All nitrogen are carbon. All nitrogen are carbon. All carbon are oxygen. Some oxygen are sulfur. So all can be intersection also. All nitrogen being sulfur is a possibility. Yes. All nitrogen are not oxygen. All nitrogen are not oxygen is not definitely true. So here the answer is what? Only 1. Only 1. So option A. Next. All September or October. All October or November. All September or October. All October or November. No November is December. Now some September are not November. Some September are not November is wrong. Some September are not November. Sorry, I have drawn wrong. The diagram is wrong. All September is October. All September is October. No October is November. No October is November. No November is December. Between these two there is no relation. Between these two there is no relation. But December and these things can have relation. Some Septembers are not Novembers. Some Septembers are not Novembers is definitely true. No October is December. These two can have intersection. No October is December is wrong. So answer is only 1. Only 1 is correct. The next. Now These are the words given. Now, sad, waf, waf, rht. If the given words are arranged in the order as they appear in dictionary from left to right, which of the following will be fourth from left hand? Fourth from left hand. If they are arranged in the alphabetical order, then first you will get cat, then you will get now, then you will get which one? Rat, then you will get sad, then you will get waf. So sad is the fourth from left. Next, how many letters are there in English alphabetical series between the second letter of the word, which is second from right hand, and third letter of the word, which is second from left hand. So second from left hand is sad, third letter is D, and second from right hand is rat. In the second letter is A. Between A and A you have B and C. So there are two letters. Next, if the third alphabet in each of the words is changed to the previous alphabet in the English alphabetical order, how many words thus formed will be without any vowels? It has vowel, it has vowel, it has vowel, it has vowel, it has vowel. So if third alphabet is changed, there is no change going to happen. Everyone will have vowel. So answer is none. None without vowel. Next, if the position of the first and third alphabet of each words are interchanged, then which of the following will form a meaningful word? So you will get WAN1 meaningful, DAS no meaning, and what? FAW no meaning, TAR there is meaning, TAC there is no meaning. So you will get two words. Which of the following? What is the answer here? WON means NOW. NOW is correct, and also RIT is also correct. Both A and C. Both A and C. Next, if in each of the given words, each of the consonants is changed to its previous letter and each vowel is changed to its next letter in English alphabetical series, then how many words must form? How many words thus formed will at least have vowel appear? So now what is given here? A consonant changed to previous, okay, and a vowel is changed to its next. So here you don't have vowel. Now S becomes R, A becomes B, D becomes E. Here you have D becomes C now. No. So W becomes V, A becomes B, and F becomes E. Here you have one vowel, and remaining I think there are no. So I think there is only one here only. In this WAF only you can have WAF. So here what is given? Consonant is changed to previous. W becomes V, A becomes B, F becomes E. Here only you have vowel, one vowel. Okay, so answer is WBE. Only here, nowhere you have vowel, only one. Now all these to be positions of first and second digits are interchanged. Remember, positions of first and second digits are interchanged. Positions of third and fourth digits are interchanged, and so on. Okay. Then which digit will be sixth from the left hand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will have 1 here. So answer is 1. How many pairs of what letters are there in the word worship, which have as many letters between them in the word as in alphabetical series? So if you see here R and S, R and S, so they are consecutive, there is no gap. And see here H, between P and S, P, Q, R, S, right? This S and P. And H is 8, I is 9. So there are 3 pairs. One is RS, the other is SP, the other is HI. So 3 such pairs are there. Next questions are based on quant. The retail price of water geyser is 1265. The manufacturer gains 10%. The wholesaler gains 15%. And the retailer gains 25%. Then find the cost of the product. Find the cost of the product. So here see, cost of the product. First, the manufacturer gains 10%, wholesaler gains 15%, and the retailer gains 25%. Finally, he sold at 1265. 1265. So how much you are going to get here? Please simplify. 522 ja, 520 ja, 523 ja, 520 ja. Then 25 5 ja, 25 4 ja. Now how much you are going to get? 23 5 ja, 23 5 ja, 115, 115, 115 1 ja, 115, 115 1 ja, 115. You have 115 1 times, 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja, then 2 2 ja. So you will get 20 into 20, 400 into 2, 800. Cost price would be 800. So answer is 800. Next. A pipe can fill a cistern in 6 hours. Due to a leakage in the bottom, it is filled in 7 hours. When the cistern is full, how much time it will take? So the answer would be 6 into 7 by 7 minus 6. So 42 by 1. So answer is 42. Answer is 42. Ram travels a certain distance at 3 km per hour and reaches 15 minutes late. If he travels at 4 km per hour, he reaches 15 minutes early. So product of speeds by difference of speeds into time. One is late, the other is early. So 15, 15, 30 by 60. So what I am going to get here? 6 km is the distance. Product of speeds by difference of speeds into time by 60. So answer is 6 km. Answer is 6 km. Next, in a mixture of 45 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 3:2. 5 parts is 45, 3 parts is 27, 2 parts is 18. How much water must be added? How much water must be added so that the ratio becomes 9:11? 9 parts 27, 9 into 3, 11 parts 33. So X is 15. So answer is 15. Option B. Next, a person can row with stream. So at 8 km per hour and against stream at 6 km per hour, ds and us are given. So y is equal to ds minus us by 2, which is 2 by 2, 1 km per hour. 1 km per hour. Next question. A father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children. Okay. But 20 years hence, his age, 20 years hence, his age will be equal to the sum of their ages. Then the father's age would be how much? Take the first option 30. First option 30. Okay. And a father's age is 3 times the sum of the two children. The sum of the two children's age would be then 10. After 20 years, 30 plus 20 is 50. In next 20 years, it would be increased by 20. It would be increased by 20. So 10 plus 40 becomes 50. So then the father's age is 30 is satisfying. So answer is 30. Answer is 30. Next, a sum was put on simple interest at certain rate for 3 years. Had it been put at 1% higher rate, it would have fetched 5,100 more. So 3% for 3 years, 1% each. 3% is 5,100. Then 100% would be 317 117 1700, 2 zeros. So it is 1,70,000. So option A is correct. Next, from among 36 teachers in a school, 1 principal and 1 vice principal are appointed. In how many ways it can be done? So 1 principal can be done in 36 even. After that 35 persons are left. You have to appoint 1 vice principal. 36 into 35 is 1260. So answer is 1260. 1260. Next, a card is drawn random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. So what is the probability of getting 2 hearts? So total sample space is 52 C2. 2 hearts are 2 diamonds. 2 hearts are 2 diamonds. Okay. So how many hearts are there actually? 13. 13 C2 or 13 C2. Hearts are diamonds. So 13 C2 plus 13 C2. 13 C2 is 13 into 12 by 2. 78 plus 78. Divided by 52 into 51 by 2. 226 are. 26 51s are 1326. So it is nothing but 156 by 1326. So you will get how much? 78 2s are. 78 17s are. 78 17s are. So 2 by 17. 2 by 17 is answer. Next, a sum is invested for 3 years at compound interest at 5%, 10% and 20% respectively. In 3 years the sum amounts to 16,632. Then find the sum. So on sum, first year interest is 5%, second year interest is 10%, third year interest is 20%. Like that the total amount is 16,632. Then find the sum. It is 21 by 20. It is 22 by 20. 522s are how much? It is 11. It is simply what? It is simply 11 by 10. 11 by 10. 110 by 100, which is 11 by 10. It is 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So 21 6 are 120. 21 11s are 231. 231. Now what can be done now? Any cancellation? Here 2 3s are, 2 10s are. Now 21 3s are 63. 21 3s are 63. 63 11s are 693. 693 how many times? 693. 1 times 693. 693 1 times 693. So how much is left now? Then 693 10 times 69. Am I correct? 10 into 10, 100 into 5. 100 into 5, 500. So what is the answer? Please tell me the calculation. The calculation once again I am doing. It should not be like this. Now if you see here, I should not make the complication difficult, simplification difficult. So 16,632 is equal to principal into what I got. One is 5%, 21 by 20. The other is 10%, 11 by 10. The other is 6 by 5. So now what I am going to get here, if you see, 20 into 5 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. 1000. Now 21 11s are 21 6, otherwise 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9. So this is cancellation with 11. 11 15s are 165, then 11 12s are, then 21 6 are 126, 126 12s are, so 12 into 1000, so principal is 12,000, principal is 12,000, so answer is 12,000. Next 5 questions are based on the table DI. Find the difference, find the difference of mobiles sold by P and R together on Monday to the mobiles sold by S and T on Wednesday. Mobile phone sellers sold by P and R on Monday. P and R on Monday. P and R on Monday, how much? 40 plus 80, which is 120, minus S and T on Wednesday. S and T 12 plus 58, 70. 120 minus 70 is 50 is the answer. Next, find the ratio of the mobile phone sold by Q on Tuesday. Mobile phone Q on Tuesday and Saturday. Q on Tuesday and Saturday. 92 plus 26. 92 plus 98, 190 is what percentage of to what mobile phone sold by R on Thursday. R on Thursday and Saturday. R on Thursday and Saturday. R on Thursday 13. Saturday how much? Saturday it is R on Thursday 13. And then Sunday 47. 13 and 47. 60. So what is the ratio here? 19:6. Mobile phone sold by P and S together on Wednesday. P and S together on Wednesday how much? P and S together on Wednesday 60. 60 is what percentage of mobiles sold by T on Sunday? T on Sunday how much? 15. So it is 400%. 400% is the answer. Now next question. What is the average of mobile phones sold by Q on Wednesday? So Q on Wednesday how much? 27. And T on Sunday. T on Sunday it is how much? 15. And S on Monday how much? 60. So what is the average? It is 102 by 3, which is 34. So answer is 34. 34. So option is none of this. None of this. Next. The mobiles sold by P on Thursday are of two types. Windows phone and Android phone in the ratio 3:4. So Thursday total phones sold by P are 28. 28 is in the ratio 3:4. So it is how much? It is 12, it is 16. Okay. Find the number of Windows phones sold by P on Thursday. So it is 12. 12 is the answer. Answer is 12. Next, question based on simplification. 45% of 600 is 270. 270, this 390 minus 270 is 120. So 120 is 1/4 of 480. So answer is 25%. Answer is 25%. Next. Next question. Please see. 4 2 by 3 plus 7 1 by 6 minus 5 2 by 9. If you see here, 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 2 by 3 is same as 4 by 6. 4 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 9. 5 by 6 to minus 2 by 9 is 11 by 18. So 6 11 by 18. Option C. 65% of 240. 65% of 240 means it is how much? 50% is 120, 10% is 24, 144, and 4% is how much? 5% is how much? 12. So 156. It is 156. This value is 156. 210 minus 156 is 54. 54 is what percentage of 150? 56 is 36% of 150. Because 150% of 36 is 54. So answer is 36. Next, 2/3 of 1 2 by 5 means 7 by 5. 75% means 3 by 4 into 540. So 3 cancel. 5 4s are 20. 20 how much? 27s are. Now 27 7s are 189. 189 2s are 378. So answer is 378. Now what is the answer for this question? So if you see here 05 50 55 5055. So here if you see the digital sum 2, here 6, here 6, here 5, here 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 6 6 9 cancel. So the answer digital sum has to be 2. Where you have digital sum 2. So if you see here 6 plus 2 plus 1 9 cancel. 9 cancel means 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 means 2. So answer is 621.65. Next, 200 1680 divided by 1680 divided by 200 is 8.4. So answer must end with this is 8.4 na. So now 5 plus 4 is 9, 3 is digital sum. 5 plus 6 is 13. So here digital sum is 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 1 plus 8 9. 9 has to be digital sum. Where you have 9 digital sum? Which option has 9 digital sum? 9 digital sum. Am I correct or not? So 4 plus 5 9 cancel. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Then 5 plus 6 13. 13 plus 8 21 means 3. 5 plus 6 11. No, sorry. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. So you have to get 2 less than 9. 7. Where you have 7? This is the only option where you have 7 digital sum, because these 3 9s are cancelled. 3 4 7. 7 digital sum is the question. The question digital sum is 7. Among the options, only D has digital sum 7. Next, now 22% of 750. So 22% of 750 would be how much? 20% is how much? 150. 150 plus 15, 165. 165. 293 minus 165. 293 minus 165. How much? 128. So 128 means here how much percentage of 800 is 128? It is 16%. 16%. So I am not doing, I am doing mentally. Otherwise, X percentage of 800 is equal to 293 minus 165 is 128. So you will get 2 zeros cancel. 8 16s are 128. X is 16. This is the procedure if you want to do. Now 6% of 250 is 15. 15 plus how much? 6% of 250. 6% of 250 is how much? 15. 15 plus 114. 15 plus, am I correct? Sorry, it is not 60. Sorry. It is 25.6 here. It is 25.6. 25.6% of 250. 25.6% of 250 is same as 250% of 25.6. So double of 25.6 is 51.2. 51.2 plus 12.8, which is 64. 64 plus 64, this value is 64. 64 plus 55 is 119. So this has to be, the question mark has to be 55 square, which is 3025. Next, 4 5 by 6 minus 5 5 by 9. is equal to how much minus 2 1 by 3 plus 11 by 18. 6 4 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 3 5 by 6 minus 3 plus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 11 by 18. So the LCM is 18 here. So how much you are going to get here? So LCM is 18. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 plus 6 minus 11. So how much you are going to get? 15. 6 minus 11 is minus 5. 15. So the answer is going to be 3. Is it so? Am I correct? 4 5 by 6. Am I correct? 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus, so this has to be any mistake in the question, or am I correct? So minus 5 by 9. So what is the value? Minus 2 1 by 3 plus 11 by 8. So plus 11, so plus 11 by 8 when it is coming this side. So 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So it is 1. It is not 3. It is 1. It is 1. So the value is 1. The value is 1. 1 is the answer. So answer is none of this. Now see, 80% of 850. 80% of 850 is how much? 680. 680 divided by 34. How much? 20. Okay, 20. Now 30% of 20. 30% of 20 is 6. So the answer is 6. Next question. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Take the LCM. So 6 is to 4 is to 3. Multiply each with 12. So 6 parts, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 parts. 13 parts is 52. The length of the smallest side is 3 parts, which is 12. So answer is 12. A's salary is 25% higher than B's salary. So 1 by 4. A is more, so plus 1. 1 by 5 means how much? 20%. So answer is 20%. Next question. Ravi sells an article at a gain of 12.5%. If he had sold it for 22.5 rupees more, he would have gained 25%. So this additional 12.5% is equal to 22.5. Okay, then the cost price would be 100%. So it is 8 times. It is also 8 times. 22.5 into 8 is 180. So answer is 180. Answer is 180. Next. A certain job was assigned to a group of men to do it in 20 days. But 12 men did not join. But 12 men did not turn up for the job, and the remaining men did the job in 32 days. So actually some M persons have to complete the work in 20 days. So as 12 men did not join, they have completed the work in 32 days. So now what you can say? 32M minus 20M. 12M is equal to, so 12M is equal to how much? 32 into 12. 32 into 12. 32 minus 12M is equal to 32 into 12. So you can say M is 32. M is 32. Initial men, there are 32 men. So answer is 32. Next. A vessel contains liquid P and Q in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 3. So if 16 liters of mixture is removed and the same quantity of Q is added, the ratio becomes 3 is to 5. The ratio becomes 3 is to 5. Then what quantity does the vessel hold? 5:3. The answer must be a multiple of 8. The answer must be a multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 is there only one here, option 40. So I can blindly take 40 as the answer. Next. 120, 50% of 250 is 125. 125 plus 40 is 165. 40 square is 1600. So answer is 1600. Next. 140 percentage of 56 plus 56 percentage of 140. So x percentage of a is equal to y, x percentage of y is equal to y percentage of x. So I can say both are equal here. 140% of 56 is same as 56% of 140. So it is nothing but 50 percentage. 50 percentage of 140 is 70. And 6 percentage of 140 is 8.4. 70 plus 8.4, 78.4 plus 78.4, 156.8. 156.8 is the answer. Okay, it is 78.4. It is also 78.4. 156.8. So answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. Next. 1 by 4 plus 1 5 by 9 plus 1 5 by 8 plus 6 and half. So if you simplify this, 5 by 4 plus 14 by 9 into 13 by 8 divided by 13 by 2. If you simplify this further, 5 by 4 plus 14 by 9 into 13 by 8, this when it's becoming into, it becomes 2 by 13. 13 cancel. So what I am going to have now? I am going to have 5 by 4 plus how much? It is 2 4s are, it is 2 2s are, 2 7s are, so 7 by 18. 5 by 4 plus 7 by 18. 18 and 4. 18 and 4, the LCM is 36. So 9 5s are 45, 7 2s are 14. 45 plus 14 is 59. 59 by 36. 59 by 36. So answer is none of these. Next. So the digital sum must be 9. The digital sum must be 9. Where you have digital sum 9? Am I correct? All 9s are there. So digital sum has to be 9. Where you have digital sum 9 here? 111, 18, 9. So the first one is the answer. First one is the answer because the digital sum is 9. First one satisfying. So it is correct. Next. 220 percentage of 40 is 88. 88 minus 10 is 78. 78% of 500 is same as 500% of 78. 5 times of 78. So 5 times of 78, 20 percentage means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 78 by 100 into 500. This is the actual thing. So 2 zeros cancel, 5 cancel. So answer is 78. Answer is 78. Next. 5, 8, 12. So here difference is 3. Here difference is 4. Here difference is 6. Here difference is 9. So 3, 4 difference 1. 4, 6 difference 9. 6, 3 difference 9. So here 3. Here difference has to be 4. So it has to be 13. 27 plus 13 is 40. So answer is 40. Difference of differences increased by 1. Now 2, 10, 30. If you see here 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 2 cube plus 2, 3 cube plus 3, 4 cube plus 4, 5 cube plus 5. The next has to be 6 cube plus 6, 216 plus 6, 222. Next one. 142, 133 decreased by 9. 133, 115 decreased by 18. 115, 88 decreased by 27. 9 ones are, 9 twos are, 9 threes are. It has to be 9 fours are. 88 minus 36. 52 is the answer. So answer is option E. Next. 3, 8, 18, 38, 78. So If you see here, here it is plus 5, here it is plus 10, here it is plus 20, here it is plus 40. So difference 5 double, 10 double, 20 double, 40 double, 80, 78 plus 80, 158. So option A is correct. Next, 6 becomes 3, becomes 6 into 0.5, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 6 into 4. So multiplication factor 0.5 becomes double, 1 becomes double, 2 becomes double, 4 becomes double. 24 8s are 192. So answer is 192. That's it. So this is the end of today's session. So now in the next session we will meet with one more paper explanation. So thanks for watching all the videos. Thank you so much.